Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Irsad Alfajri. My call is Irsad and studied at Padang State Polytechnic. My major was Information Technology, Software Engineering Study Program. I live in West Pasaman. My hobby are jogging, swimming, martial arts, watching movies, and listening to music, such as cosplay, Bring Me the Horizon, and the Avengers Sevenfold, and any others. Okay, in this video, I wanted to explain about the professional self-introduction and explain about the importance of English language for software technology engineering students. And I wanted to explain about the youngest Facebook IT engineering lesson and the importance of English language for IT student and vocabulary related to IT. And I wanted to explain about working in IT industry, about jobs and schedules, and simple present tense daily routines. And I wanted to explain about computer hardware and computer system. At this time, I wanted to explain about the importance of English language. At this time, English is very much needed, especially in the Department of Information Technology, because the material or learning is complete and the lesson is hard, and because English is an international language. In this day and age, to get a good life, get a job, and have bright a career, we can make this happen if we have proficient skill in good English. It is enough for us to know that at this time, a language company usually set high standard for communication skill in English, and also every new technology, all of them use English. If you don't understand English, it can make it difficult for users to keep up with technological developments, and also in the good job. Okay, my opinion about the youngest Facebook IT engineer, Michael Arthur Shaman is a Bolivian American mobile application entrepreneur. He is famous for making top-tier applications. As a teenager, he published his first application in App Store, iOS, when he was 13 years old. That is really great in my opinion, because at that age, he was able to create an application that was immediately published on the App Store. Okay, vocabulary represents one of the most important skills required for teaching and learning and foreign language. Vocabulary is the main tool for me in their effort to use English effectively when faced with a native English speaker, when watching a film without subtitle, or when listening to my favorite English song, when reading a text, when writing letter to a friend. I will always need to operate two words. Importance of English for IT student and IT related vocabulary, that is very important, because at this time, because all the technology is sophisticated and new, everything is definitely in English, and if you don't understand English and vocabulary, we will be left behind. With the rapid development of information technology, there are also more opportunities to work in the IT fields. The IT field has opened many branches of work in various fields such as designing, researching, and developing hardware and software to simplify work. Increase efficiency and productivity. Example of job in the IT field include example about software developer, database administrator, hardware engineer, system analyst, network architect, web developer, information security analysis, IT support, and system manager. Under working in an IT company, we must have skill in the field of computer such as understanding a computer program, understanding networks, designing a web ads related to computer. Computer hardware. Hardware is hardware where this device is conceptually related to computer. Hardware is culturally no stranger to those of you who are already in the computer world. What is hardware? Hardware, or better known as hardware, are all types of components on a computer, while the physical parts can be seen with the naked eye or can be felt directly. So it can be said the hardware is the physical equipment of a computer that is useful of carrying out input, processing, and output process. Some of them are RAM, CPU, mouse, keyboard, scanner, monitor, printer, and many more. In addition, hardware is generally seen as a form of output from every process of a computer operating system. However, to support the work of the device, certain software or software is still needed. That way, every desired command can operate properly. What are the functions of computer hardware or hardware? Processing data or information, referencing output, giving output, storing information and data. A computer system is a collection of computer devices that are interconnected and interact with each other to process data, so as to procedure the information expected by its users. Devices contained in a computer system include hardware, software, and firmware. Computer system function is first, input accepting data. Second, processing the data that has been entered. And third, procedures data from the input that has been entered. And fourth, save the necessary data. There are several types of software categories in computer system, and the following are the standard system software, utility software, and the last application software.